what's up? It's Sam. I'm back with another video, and this time I wanted to do this time I wanted to do a get ready for a rave with me kind of video. I am looking so crunchy right now. I am completely aware my cat keeps scratching my face. I'm not the best at skincare. My hair is just bad right now. So let's go on that journey first. Let's take care of some things, right? Today is day one of hard, but a normal day for me because I have work later tonight. But I am going tomorrow. My cat is doing things. First things first, guys, let's take care of my hair and maybe do a face mask, and yeah, let's go. So I'm going to be using this. So that's a color depositing shampoo and conditioner. Basically, you put it in like any old hair dye. So I have, you know, that. I got gloves. I got a green smoothie for my health and skin. And I got a nice coffee for Joy. So let's do it. Hi guys, so I have moved to the living room in order to create a more enjoyable viewing experience for you, I hope. I've got some hair ties, a brush. I'm going to do a face mask and hopefully that will help. And what you 100% need when you dye your hair is a long form video or music or something to keep you entertained. Today I'm going to be listening to my August tarot reading from one of my favorite tarot readers on YouTube. Her name is She Bear. Check her out, okay? She knows, like she fucking knows. Huh? She knows.
This is your general tarot reading for Aquarius, Sun, Moon, and Ascendant or Rising sign for the month of August. As your first card helps out there, there are winner the rest of some Aquarius. This is going to be a very, very soulful and deep month for you. Why? Because
Putting on these gloves just reminds me of Demi Lovato's Get Back music video.
that's why the full moon in Aquarius is stepping right. It's coming from you, Aquarius. It's like this emotional permission to start over, particularly after the lunar eclipse last month, where you might have seen waiting, and for many of you, a long period of healing. So I feel last month there was like the end of something that is like a new emotional chapter. It felt very, very strong. This is the kind of moment where you just let your energy make decisions. Your big work is going to happen, okay? But does that mean you've got nothing to do but sit back on your lovely Aquarian laurels? No.
So I have really thick hair, so dyeing my hair tends to be kind of a pain. I've learned that it's just best for me to get the whole top layer really coated and soaked, because when you wash your hair, that's the first thing that's going to fade, so it fades really fast. So I just like to get the top layer really coated first, and then I just start moving it throughout my layers, get the back, get the behind, inside, outside, etc. I also like to push the dye through my hair using my fingers, just making sure everything gets nice and coated. I'm pretty lazy, so this works best for me.
You're giving your passion to something, but it might take a little bit of time before you see the very positive results. But keep going with it.
I then left the hair dye in my hair for about 30 minutes, and I'm going to take a shower and glow up. See you guys in a second. Hello! I am back. Yes, okay, we are ready to go with the blue hair. I even did my makeup for you guys for a pleasurable viewing experience. Okay, let's do some hair flips. Did that work? Okay, so now that that's done and I am not as crunchy, let's move on to the rest of the video. So for my outfit for hard, I originally wanted to do a DIY and I actually did a whole DIY. I don't really want to do this piece dirty, like it's just so beautiful. And I finished it and I hated it. I especially hated it for this event for Hard Summer because I know it's gonna be hot and I just didn't want to be messing with my kooky solutions to the problem of me not knowing how to make clothes. So I didn't want to be messing with safety pins and loose threads and lots of chunky fabric. I just wanted to be comfortable. I had another idea to go to Forever 21 and I was going to make like another video where I cut up a pair of leggings and made that into a DIY outfit, and I will insert some of that footage here. I want to make a whole hard summer outfit from just one pair of leggings, maybe two, so I'm going to head to Forever 21 and see if I can find some. I know they're super cheap there and I'm hoping I can find some baby blue ones to match my vibe right now, you know what I mean? So let's go check it out. When I got there, I didn't find what I wanted. What I did find though was this shirt, this men's shirt. And I thought about cutting it up, but honestly, like, it's cute just on, like, I'll show you some of my fitting room pictures. Like, I really like the vibe. I like that it was flowy. And I ordered this from my favorite shop, Shop Glitz. I love their packaging too, it's so cute. Wow. Oh my god. Wow, they did that. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Wow, I fucking love it. It's so beautiful. I am so excited. The last thing that I want to get for my outfit for hard is a cowboy hat. I'm sure if you're my friend, you already know that I have this cowboy hat, but it's a little big on me. It's a little clunky. So I want to get one that's kind of like made out of felt or something, and that'll be like super lightweight and easy to wear and something that'll block the sun out of my face. Yeah, I think that's all I have for you guys today. I am gonna go to work now. I totally just got dressed up cute for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I will see you tomorrow. Good morning! Happy rave day. I'm so excited. I'm awkward, but I'm excited, okay? And there's a lot to do today. And I'm almost done with the first half of me just getting ready and getting my shit together. Let's go into my rave drawer. Ooh, it's pretty unorganized right now. I mean, when is it not? But we're definitely going to need these today. Ooh, ooh. I love to bring just like a bunch and hand them out to people. It makes me happy. But what I'm looking for right now are my pasties. I think I'm gonna stick with this one. Okay guys, so I have laid out everything that I want to bring today. Not just the festival, but to my friend's house, to the hotel room, etc. Let me show you what I got. Let's pray I have everything. I got my Camelback, some sunscreen, a couple of fans, wallet, a couple of lighters, hand sanitizer, candy if we have time, some rainbow glasses, I got some gemstones, an extra pair of pasties. I'm bringing my wand and this little wand pouch that I DIY'd. Earplugs, tampons. I got interrupted by my boyfriend. He brought me coffee. It's an iced coffee with oat milk and raw sugar, and it's so fucking good. Alright, so where I left off, I like to bring this. It's kind of like Tiger Balm. If you're Asian, you know. And I got some lavender oil. I have some extra face masks for my friends. I got my outfit, some socks, and yeah, I think we're ready to go.